Hello, good morning. It's been a while. So I'm gonna give you guys a life kind of update in a minute after breakfast because I'm hungry, but this is gonna be another what I eat in a day video showing you guys some really easy, healthy, delicious recipes. Tastes good, fuels you. You guys know if you're new, we're all about eating delicious, healthy food. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into breakfast because I am hungry. It is Saturday, so we're gonna make some like baked oatmeal, and then yeah, we're gonna talk to you guys about all things. And this video is sponsored by Element. You guys know is my fave, my ride or die. I have been having it every day for months. No matter where I go in the world, Florida, Mexico, there's Element in my pocket, in my purse, at all times, every day. But let's get into breakfast first. Also, can we all just appreciate this beautiful, what is it, like the trend now, gorgeous girls drink gorgeous coffee, I think on TikTok. This beautiful mug from HomeSense, which is the equivalent to Home Goods in the US, but I love it, beautiful. Yeah, it's my breakfast. All right, so this is everything we need to make our baked oatmeal: almond milk, baking powder, vanilla, cacao, because I'm doing like a normal version and like a chocolate. A little bit of monk fruit, protein powder, banana, and almond flour. So this is the baked oats. I haven't like put my spoon in yet. I wanted to show you guys before I do. That looks so good. Yum. All right, I took a couple shots for Instagram, guys. Look, it's like cake. It's like a giant skillet protein cookie for breakfast. All right, we are showered, ready for the day, and I wanted to talk about today's video sponsor, which is Element. Guys, this might be my favorite partnership of life. I have been a ride or die big fan of Element probably like a year now, and when they reached out a couple months ago, I was like, hell yes, I use you every single day. I am all about this. So if you haven't heard of Element, they are electrolyte packs. I talk about them all the time. I have one at least every single day. They are clean. They are the only electrolyte powder I will touch. I am really picky, as you guys know, with ingredients and things, and so many other ones are filled with fillers or weird stuff, and Element is actually formulated for athletes, so you know it's legit. There's no sugar, there's paleo, it's keto friendly, gluten-free, and all of that, and they taste so good. My favorite flavors, here, I'll show you. I pulled out a bunch of them to show you guys. My favorite is this one, the raspberry salt or the citrus. And then they also have a chocolate salt that I will put in smoothies. Here, if it'll focus. There we go. That I will put in smoothies or in coffee. It is so good, or even like cacao. And they also have unflavored ones, but as you guys can see, they're so convenient. I brought these to Mexico. I always keep a few in my purse at all times. And what many people don't realize is that even on like a whole foods clean diet, you guys know, I eat clean, you still need electrolytes, because electrolyte imbalance can explain headaches, fatigue, muscle cramps, cravings. So imagine if all of your symptoms got solved by just balancing your electrolytes. Like, it's insane. I notice a night and day difference when I have Element and when I don't. That's why, like, it's always with me. It is my number one, honestly, my number one thing that I take per day that I cannot live without such a huge difference. So I add mine to water every single day, but like I said, you could also put like the chocolate in like a smoothie or your cacao, and it also elevates your water a bit. So they were nice enough to give you guys a free sample pack so you can try all 8 flavors. I know there's also watermelon, there's some spicy ones like habanero. So you get to try all 8 flavors, and all you have to do is pay shipping. I know a bunch of you took advantage of this last month or December in my last video and have been raving about it. You guys DM me on Instagram telling me it makes a night and day difference and you're blown away. So if you haven't jumped on the Element train yet, this is your chance. Otherwise, you are missing out. The best electrolyte powder. I will leave the link down below. You can go pick up a sample pack and let me know which one is your favorite. I would love to know which one is your favorite flavor. Hey Kashi, you want to say hello? It wouldn't be a little what I eat today if we didn't say hello to Kashi. She knows I'm leaving, so that's why she's pissed. All right, like I said, I'm going to go, ooh, we're getting bright now. I'm going to go for a walk. My trainer has me right now on 15,000 steps a day. So yes, I hired a personal trainer. When I turned 30 in December, I was like, this is the year I want to get strong. So I was like, I know how to work out, but I don't know like about lifting weights and stuff like that, or what exercise I should be doing. So I hired a trainer, and she recently increased my steps to 15,000 a day, which is a lot. So we're gonna go out and get some of our steps in, and then I'll probably take Kashi to the dog park later to finish getting my steps. So taking steps, maybe have like a window shopping day, like browse around, and yeah, I will report back when I'm back. All right, I am back from shopping, walking around. I will show you guys what I got, but right now when I get lunch in the oven so I can start cooking. So we're gonna do like a chicken and a roasted veggie bowl. I probably have this almost every single day, and then change the veggies depending on what I'm feeling like or what I have. So I have some zucchini, broccolini, and sweet potato. I'll put the sweet potato on the pan first and cook some of that, and then I'll add in the zucchini followed by and the broccolini together at once. So we got zucchini, sweet potato, broccolini, chicken, which I seasoned with garlic powder and cumin, and then I'm gonna add some tahini on top, which is like my ride or die. Squeezable tahini is just like a game changer. Not super exciting. At H&M, I am very much into matching sets, and I haven't had a lot of winter vibes because I've been in Florida, so I found this like top with sweater with pants. I haven't tried it on yet, but I like the color and I like the texture of it, so high hopes. And I think like also in spring, I could wear this like out as a cute spring outfit to grab coffee or something. And then I went to Winners, which is our version of TJ Maxx Home Goods, and I found my favorite masks by Goop Beauty. Well, it's not a mask, it's more like a peel, but you rub them on. I have bought these so many times at like regular price, and this one came with 12 peels. I was legitimately so excited. And then at Sephora, I restocked on my favorite brand of scents. It is the 7 Virtues brand. All of their fragrance is made with essential oils and not actual fragrance, which is so much better for you. This one is organic. I believe the vanilla source from Afghanistan. Oh no, Madagascar. And it just smells like vanilla, but it's not artificial, and it's actually not going to disrupt your hormones. So I usually get a rollerball because I like to switch out the scents, but this is my favorite brand, 7 Virtues, and they have, I think, like maybe 6, 7 different scents at Sephora. So yeah. So I'm about to make dinner, and I'm gonna make this, I've never made it before, but like lemon parm, or like vegan parm, cauliflower rice with like lemon garlic shrimp type deal. Like, how could it not turn out? It sounds delicious, right? So we're gonna chop up some onion and garlic, saute that, cauliflower rice, shrimp, lemon, yeah, it sounds delicious. I mean, let's be honest. Starting everything with onion and garlic is pretty much a delicious way to go. So we'll chop that up, get that going, and yeah, make a little delicious dinner. So we have the lemon parm cauliflower rice, there we go. I used vegan parm, and our shrimp topped with parsley. My last bit of element that I put in a wine glass, and cheers. So I hope you guys enjoyed that what I eat in a day. I'm going to leave my last what I eat in a day here so you can get lots more healthy meal inspiration, and do not forget to pick up the sampler pack of Element. So good. Let me know what your favorite flavor is, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.